The second assistant engineer on a ship is responsible for overseeing machinery operations, maintenance, and repairs. Key duties include 1. Watchkeeping, stand engine room watch, monitor performance, and guide junior engineers. Engine room operations, supervise and assist with engine, startups, shutdowns, and the operation of auxiliary machinery. 3. Maintenance and repair, perform and supervise routine maintenance, troubleshoot issues, and maintain logs of activities. For safety and compliance, ensure machinery complies with safety regulations, participate in drills, and monitor environmental compliance MARPOL. 5. Fuel and all management, assist with fuel and lubrication systems management. 6. Documentation, maintain accurate records of engine performance and report issues to the chief. 7. Support and training, train junior crew and assist with inspections. 8. Miscellaneous, help with machinery overhauls and manage spare parts inventory. The second assistant engineer ensures the smooth operation of the ship's machinery, maintaining safety and compliance.